KUNTALA Waterfall. It is also called Niagara of Telangana. It is very near to the National Highway NH44. It is in Adilabad district, Telangana state. It is located at the distance of 278 kilometers from Hyderabad, 42 kilometers from Nirmal, and 56 kilometers from Adilabad. The journey through Teakwood forest is memorable. The road until the parking area of Waterfall is very good. Here we can find 3 or 4 restaurants and different types of food available in these restaurants at parking area. We can see a beautiful viewpoint near parking area. From this viewpoint, we have to walk to reach KUNTALA Waterfall. Now we reach staircase. Here, more than 400 steps we have to walk down to reach the waterfall. We can see a small waterfall on the way. Still, we have to walk down many more steps from here. Going down and reach the waterfall is a little bit easy, but coming back is very, very difficult. So one should take breaks while climbing the steps. Yes, we reached KUNTALA Waterfall, Niagara of Telangana. Beautiful location, very good environment, pure and clear water, exciting. It is so beautiful that you will feel to visit again and again.